Welcome back! In this quick guide, we'll go over how to fill out a Ria Money Transfer order so your transaction is processed smoothly and reaches the right person without delays. When you start a new transfer, open the Ria app or go to their website and sign into your account. Begin by choosing the country where you want to send money and enter the amount you'd like to transfer. You'll instantly see the exchange rate, the transfer fee, and how much your recipient will receive in their local currency. Next, choose your payment method. You can usually pay with a debit card, bank account, or credit card depending on your country. Then, select your delivery method: cash pickup, bank deposit, or mobile wallet. Each option might have different fees or delivery times, so pick the one that best suits your recipient. After that, you'll need to enter your recipient's details. Make sure the name matches their ID exactly, and double-check their bank account information or mobile number if you're sending to a wallet. Mistakes in these fields can delay your transfer or cause it to be rejected. Finally, review your order details, including the amount, delivery method fees, and recipient info before confirming the transaction. Once everything looks correct, hit Send Money to complete your order. You'll receive a confirmation number or PIN, which your recipient can use to track or collect the money, and that's it. Filling out a Ria Money Transfer order is simple once you know what to expect. Just make sure all your details are accurate before sending to avoid any issues. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.